Hello everyone, welcome back to harpersmmmchic. So I got a request to make kimchi and I thought yes. But listen, going to the market and getting a whole napa cabbage can feel very daunting, especially if it's your first time. So today let's try making kimchi with bok choy. The steps are very similar, but bok choy is baby sized and a lot easier to manage. But hopefully this can ease you into making napa cabbage kimchi one day. Anyways, let's get started. I think kimchi equates to love. Growing up, my mom and I used to have lots and lots of arguments, but even still, we would have a ceasefire when kimchi was being made, because she would always call me over to have a taste. Now, I wonder what I could have possibly been doing that was more important than helping her make kimchi. Kimchi was one of those things that even however stinky it may have been, or weird to my friends who did not grow up with it, every time that stink bomb came out of the fridge, it signified a good meal. And it still does. It's love because even if your kimchi is store-bought, moms are so precious about how it has to be plated. If you know, you know. I should do a video on kimchi plating. I know I'm lucky because I can count on my one hand how many times I bought kimchi when I have never run out of it in my fridge. so much easier than you thought. This kimchi is so delicious. It can be eaten with tofu like I did, or topped on a salad, or eaten with a soup, or with anything else. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, Harpersmmmchic. Stay chic and healthy!